This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started. What's up, holiday family? I'm Chef John, and today I'm going to be making a smoked spiral ham. I've already got a smoked and cured ham. It's already been cooked. It's ready to go. It's already been sliced, spiraled. So we're just going to create a delicious glaze, and then we're going to put it on the RT 590. I have the grill set at 350 degrees right now, and I'm burning those Kingsford cherry pellets. Man, oh man, they are going to do delicious things to this ham. I can't wait. It's going to be great. It's going to be great. Yeah, it's going to give it a little kiss of smoke right there. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and dump all of this deliciousness into our stainless steel bowl. Thank you, Jody Flanagan, so much for that spatula. Right on time, my man, Jody. All right, so just going to get the last of that little bit of honey. I don't want Grandma Jones mad at me because I use all her honey up, you know, waste not, want not. All right, we got that honey in there. We're going to go ahead, dump the brown sugar in. Scrape that stone ground brown mustard in. So I'm going to be using a little bit of that Ray's warm apple pie. Delicious blend of cinnamons and sugars. I'm going to go ahead and flip this thing on riot mode. Put about 2 tablespoons in there. Yes, Lord. And then last but definitely not least, that Rossarooski honey rib rub. Did I not say it right? Rossarooski. All right, excellent. All right, now we're just going to mix this up. We're turning it into a nice paste. So now we're going to take our beautiful ham. We're going to take our glaze, and we're just going to work it in. Work it in all over the sides, the top. I like to season on a big sheet pan like this, so anything that falls off I could reuse. It doesn't get stuck on my cutting board. Hiya! All right, so now that we have that delicious glaze rubbed all over that thing, I'm gonna go ahead and get some more of that honey rib rub. We're just gonna go right over the top. As my good friend, the barbecue dad, says, go high and let it fly. All right, now it's time to bring this thing on out to the RT 590, have it set at 350 degrees, and I'm burning the Kingsford cherry pellets. You're gonna see it's gonna do marvelous things to create an awesome bark for this nice ham. Come on, let's go on out to the grill. This ham came out spectacular. Goodness gracious. And you gotta get a little piece for the chef. Oh man. Juicy, delicious, a perfect combination of sweet and savory. You get a little hint of those cherry pellets from Kingsford. This is a win for the whole family. Treat yourself, you know what I'm saying? Take it easy this holiday season. Go get you a spiral ham. Use this recipe. Man, so good. This ham came out awesome. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to recteq and Kingsford's YouTube page for awesome content like this and so much more.